Why are Indian roads so chaotic? Have you ever seen? I mean, if you drive on the roads, you know it's like a fucking video game that you need to play. Like every time, it's like obstacle and moving obstacles that too, right? कि कभी इधर से आ जाएगा, इधर से आ जाएगा, उधर से आ जाएगा, उधर से. There is no fucking organization there, right? And it bothers me. I know it bothers everybody, but it bothers me. And because I'm talking about it, I will say it. Fuck you. Okay. Do you ever wonder why Indian roads are so chaotic? It's not because people don't know how to drive. Because if you have ever noticed, these are the same people. अगर किसी ऐसे red light पे चले जाओ जहाँ पे पुलिस खड़ा है, it's a little more strict. They will suddenly be a little more stricter. They'll suddenly follow the rules and everything. So it's not that they don't know the rules or they can't follow the rules. It's a different problem altogether. Because India में, especially India में, what happens is कि रास्तों पे हम चलाते हैं, हम इतने selfish reason से चलाते हैं, which means कि See, I know everybody drives because they need to go somewhere, but हम सड़क को अपना समझते हैं इस तरीके से कि कहीं भी चलाते हैं, कैसे भी चलाते हैं, हमारा सिर्फ intention is to go आगे. And this is especially so relevant in Hyderabad because Delhi में at least some areas में there's still some bit of a little more organization. But cities like Hyderabad, Kolkata, I see people don't even drive on lane. Someone has to take a right turn. They will come from the left and आगे से निकल के जाएंगे without even giving indicators. It's the most annoying thing in the world. And now I've learned to drive in the chaos, and that's an achievement in itself, and that's okay. But what I keep thinking when I'm driving on the road here in Hyderabad is, fuck, this is so reflective of our society. Because everybody is driving with the intention कि मेरे को आगे बढ़ना है, and मेरे को ही आगे बढ़ना है. They don't give a shit किसी और को क्या हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है. It's all a spectacle for everybody involved. For instance, very simple example, indicator is not for your convenience, it's for others' convenience, but nobody uses indicators. They all go like end में as if to justify कि कल को आके कोई कुछ बोल ना पाए, they do the indicator thing. It's a very small thing, but it's such a selfish thing because रास्ते पे we are only going with the intention to go ahead. The thing is, the roads पे अगर अकेले ही चलाना है तो इंडिविजुअल रास्ते होते हैं to go places. It's not that. It's a community road. It's built by the community, as shitty as it is. It's built by the government for the community and everything. That argument aside, nobody drives like हम सब साथ में चला रहे हैं. साथ में चलाने का मतलब ये होता है कि you drive while keeping in mind that you don't become an obstacle for someone else. गलतियां and everything is okay, but it can be deadly. And जब तक खुद पे नहीं आता ना, किसी को समझ में नहीं आती कि मैं चूते की तरह ड्राइव कर रहा था. And this is, like I said, it's such a reflection of our society. Because हम लोग भी in general life में भी यही करते हैं. हम बस कहीं जा रहे हैं, कुछ कर रहे हैं तो अपने लिए कर रहे हैं. It's so similar. So for instance, मैं जहाँ काम कर रही हूँ वहाँ पे कोई ग्रुप है and I am saying something in a group level because I feel like I'm saying from my heart. I feel like that's the right thing. It's going to benefit everybody and specifically one person. Then this other person will come, and this has happened to me. They have come personally and with the right intention. I'm not questioning that. But the thing is, they came and told me, and I still remember it, which was so weird to me, कि तू मत बोल, क्योंकि तू बोलेगी ना तो तेरे पे स्पॉटलाइट आ जाएगा. And I'm like, मैं दुनिया के भला करने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि ये सही चीज है बोलने के लिए. And just this attitude of कि जब तक मेरे पे नहीं आएगा, जब तक it's not affecting me, I'll not speak shit about it, is the reason why everything is going in shambles. Because we are waiting for everything to come to a level of fuck up कि जब तक हम पे that kind of selfishness is gonna destroy us mentally, physically, financially, resourcefully, every way. Because all we care about कि जब तक हमारा है तब तक ठीक है. Forgetting that this world, this community is for everybody. अगर बाकी लोग thrive करेंगे तो मैं भी thrive करेगी. How do you expect? So let's put you in a तुम सुनामी वाली जगह में चले जाओ, सुनामी आ रहा है, तुम बहुत थ्राइव कर रहे हो अपनी जिंदगी में, तुमको सुनामी बचा लेगा? अकेले कुछ कर लोगे? कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. The thing is, the nature, the world, the way it is, we are going to thrive only when everybody else thrives. This will never happen. It will never happen that you will get out of it alive if everybody else dies. That's a bullshit situation. That's not gonna happen. That's not natural state of being. And we have learned to be so fucking immoral and so corrupted. And इतने करप्टेड हो चुके हैं खुद में कि एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकते खुद से कि फक मैं करप्टेड हूं, इसलिए पूरा सोसाइटी भी करप्टेड है, बिकॉज सोसाइटी इज अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ यू. इट्स सो इजी टू सिट एंड ब्लेम एवरीबडी एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स कि ब्रो उसकी वजह से ये हालत है, जबकि रियलिटी ये है कि हमारी वजह से ये हालत है. थिंक अबाउट इट.